Oh my God.
Breaking news.
Have you heard?
Breaking news.
Yeah, breaking news.
You know,
I can't believe it. No, I don't think you understand what I'm saying here. Nowsite is now 50% off.
What?
Do you know what that means? That means Nowsite is only $23.50 a month.
That's nuts.
But wait. It gets better.
It gets better.
Yeah, it gets better.
How?
I'm gonna slice that price in half as well, which means if you join with me today, you're gonna get in for $11.75. What? I know, crazy, right?
that's crazy.
Yeah, that's right, $11.75.
What's the catch?
There's no catch.
You asking what's the catch? Well, the catch is you gotta take action now. No, right now. Come on, guys. This is my number one opportunity. Been in business for over 5 years.
5 years, man.
5 years and going strong. Look, you want a company that's built to last? Just look at all these things that you get. Don't take my word for it. Look what I got for you. All right, so let's log in and show you exactly what you're gonna get when you're a part of Nowsite and just how fabulous it really is. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm not even gonna go through all the tools. I'm just gonna go through just a couple tools to let you see just how powerful this is. So let's go to marketing and let's see just how many websites I have. Now these are just thumbnails of all the websites I created, right? And the nice thing about these websites is when I have it, you have it. So let's just see what some of these look like so you can see that these are the real deal and not just your run-of-the-mill website. Look at that, nice video backgrounds, call to action. And the nice part about this is once I have it, you have it. You see right here, we hit share and then instantly share that, right? And we got all different types of websites for you to see that you can see and be able to take action of, look at that, just real professional, funnels, marketing systems. I created, you got it, okay? That's the good thing about this system is that, you're going to be able to take advantage of these awesome websites I've created, these awesome marketing systems. And you know what? When you're in the same business and we in the same business together, guess what that means? That means you get the same one as well. So I'll show you just how quick and easy that is. We come over here to Insight, okay, and we come over here to my team section, and then that means that when you come into Nowsite, you actually be a part of this team. So you see right here where it says my team and it says Nowsite Elite. Well, look right here in the back of our team section. You're going to get access to all these different softwares and team downloads that I have for you. As you can see, it's quite a few. And when you click on them, then you actually see what they actually are and be able to download it. You have access to all of that when you join my team. You also have access to all these websites I've already built. So if you're in some of these businesses along with me, like 7K, well, guess what? You have a 7K page and you have a marketing system. You see all these other websites we have, TRVL, you're in a travel company with me, you have access to that as well. And any other business that I'm in. So you can see right now that we got pages that go on for days, okay? We want to make sure that we take the guesswork out of this and we do all the selling, telling, and for you when it comes to you talking to your prospects and being able to market, as well as even with Nowsite, we got you covered. You see this Monday trainings and things, we got everything here for you from promo materials, and it's all right here in your back office exclusive to you. We even have our own PLR store, private label rights. We have all that for you, okay? And that's just one of the beauties along with so many other features of Nowsite. We also have our own prospects, okay, that you get to take advantage of. So when you come over here, you can see right here where I can get my prospects, and then you can actually follow up and reach out to them. So you see where it says get a prospect? Well, now this is just one of the features. You see, we got a prospect, we got name, we got email, we got age. I can view that prospect. Okay, and then after that, you can see that I have all the necessary information over here to the left from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, email. I can enhance that prospect. Okay, and then when I enhance it, it's going to give me even more information on that prospect. See, success. Okay, I can get a personality analysis. Now, one thing about the personality analysis, it's going to take a little bit of time to come in, but this is what I can do for you. As you can see, we already got quite a bit of information to be able to follow up with this lead, but let's get some more, and I'll show you what that looks like when we do a personal analysis from our contact enhancement tool from others that we've already done. So we see a success with this right here, so let's go see what they look like. So as you can see, now I got a picture, I got more information, I got different stuff that lets me know how to reach out to this person. We can see they're like-minded by some of the things that they got right here in the skill section. Look, online advertising, social networking, social media. This right here is somebody we want to do business with. This is somebody that's a like-minded individual, would you say? So now I can come over here, look at the personality analysis and see just how I need to reach out to that person. I can see their behaviors, things they like, their stressors, you know. It says this person is inclined towards action and will likely lose energy if they are on a team that gets bogged down in planning process, so forth and so on. So you can see how valuable that can be. It shows me how to sell to them right there. Okay, and a pain points and what I should do when I'm giving the pitch. Says try this. You're seeing X results. It even give you what you should say. And right there it says learn in the most innovative aspect of the prospect. You see, it tells you how to reach out to that prospect. And just look how detailed this information is. And this is all comes with your networking. Okay, so as you can see, very, very, very powerful tool. And we didn't even get into the tip of the iceberg here. Not to mention that you can also use this to make money. So how cool is that? $11.75 and you get all that. Oh, this is just bananas.
He's right, you know.
When you join Nowsite today, I'm gonna cut the price in half after they cut the price in half. So let's make sure you understand what I'm saying here. Nowsite cut the price to $23.50. What I'm gonna do is, when you join me today, I'm gonna also cut the price to $11.75.
Half price it is.
This is beyond a no-brainer. Corey Cochran. Oh! You gotta join now though. Again, I got you covered. So you know what to do. Go to getmoneylikeaboss.com. Matter of fact, get back with me if you don't understand what's going on here, because this is beyond huge. Nowsite, just $23.50. And I'm gonna cut that in half
Okay, so what's the price?
to $11.75 when you join with me, Team Elite.
It's a fair price.
All right, so get back with me ASAP so we can get you going. Guys, it gets no better than this. Let me say it again. It gets no better than this. Let me say it louder. It gets no better than this. So you know what to do. Go to getmoneylikeaboss.com. Better yet, get back with me and I'm gonna hook you up. All right, guys, so again, Nowsite is just $11.75 and I got you covered. Oh, I almost forgot.
Forgot, didn't you?
Forgot what?
Did I mention they also have leads? Well, we don't like to call them leads. We call them prospects. That's right, you're gonna get prospects as well, depending on what package you choose. I mean, look, Nowsite has it all. And not only do you have prospects, but we have the ultimate prospect follow-up tool as well, right in your back office. Why? Because we wanna make sure you have the best chance of succeeding. So now, in one place, you got a marketing system and you got a prospecting system. That's right, marketing and prospecting, which means you're getting the best of both worlds, my friend.
I love it.
So again, all you gotta do is get started today with me for just $11.75. Why? Because Nowsite already slashed the price to $23.50, crazy enough. And now equally as crazy by slashing that price to $11.75. But you gotta join today.
How about tomorrow?
Tomorrow, not next week, today.
Okay, I'm in.
All right, okay, I think I've said enough. So again, you wanna see exactly what you get? I wanna show it to you, so check this out. Just so you can see just how valuable this offer actually is. And remember, I've been here for 5 years and I wouldn't waste my time being in a company 5 years if it wasn't the real deal.
I agree.
All right, guys, check it out, and I'll see you on the other side. Peace.